Despite chilly temperatures and a biting wind, a large crowd gathered at Minster Abbey on the Isle of Sheppey this morning to mark Good Friday. As part of the island's Easter tradition, 3 wood crosses were marched to the village church to take part in a procession of witness led by the Reverend Tim Foreman, the president of Churches Together in Sheppey, and Major Lynn Clifton from the Sheerness branch of the Salvation Army. Dave Lambert, the former lead guitarist in 1970s band The Strawbs, kept time with a drum. For years, the open-air service to mark the crucifixion of Jesus was performed at Bunnyback, the island's own green hill. But since bad weather one year turned the area into a quagmire, organisers switched the event to the churchyard, which has easier access for anyone with buggies or wheelchairs. This year, the multi-faith service went indoors after the planting of the crosses to shield parishioners from the wind and cold. One of the crosses came from the Roman Catholic Church of St. Henry and St. Elizabeth in Marine Parade, Sheerness, 3 miles away. A second cross, traditionally carried by prisoners, was walked along the roads from East Church. All 3 crosses combined at the Abbey's Lychgate before being installed in pre-dug halls in the church grounds overlooking the swale. There were Bible readings and hymns, including When I Survey the Wondrous Cross, There is a Green Hill Far Away, and the Old Rugged Cross.